Real estate developer. 5 reasons to choose GetFloorPlan AI to sell a new building. First, integrate an AI tool that will allow you to stand out and attract more customers and therefore developers and key accounts. 2. Integrate an AI tool that will improve visuals and definitely hook customers on. 3. Integrate an AI tool that provides more real estate information and gives users in the property card. Integrate an AI tool to help users access the space of the property and keep them in the property card. 4. Integrate an AI tool that will increase real estate sales by catchy visuals, and developers will come back over and over again with more properties. 5. Integrate an AI tool that creates catchy visuals instead of the user and gets more calls and sales.